Good day, everyone. I will now be presenting the sales booking for Grand Canyon Tours. What we have here is the number of customers that booked for a specific month and week. We will now be getting the sum of the first month. To do that, we type in equals sum, open parenthesis, B5, colon, B8. And then close parenthesis, hit enter. It will automatically add the 4 cells, which is this one, and it shows 316. So to include the second month, third month, and the fourth month, we click and hold, then drag the dot on the bottom right corner of the cell, drag it to the fourth month, and then it will include the formula on this specific result. So to get the average, we type in equals, just the same process, equals average, open parenthesis, B5, colon, B8, close parenthesis, hit enter. Then this will divide, so it will add the 4 units, and then it will divide it to 4 equal units, which is 79. So we drag this to include the second and third, fourth month. For the count, equals count, open parenthesis, B5, colon, B8, close parenthesis, hit enter. In this case, it will count this, which is just 4. For count A, we just add the A. And B5, colon, B8, close parenthesis, hit enter. Now for the min or minimum, equals min, open parenthesis, B5, then B8, close parenthesis, hit enter. So for this case, the minimum shows which is the lowest number here, or number of bookings. So in this case, it is 59 bookings, which is the third week of the first month. So it shows 59 as the minimum. We will now include the other 3 months. So here it will show 78 since the third week of the second month is the lowest, which is 78. Here is 78 the second week of the third month, and here is 67, which is also the second week of the fourth month. Now for the max, open parenthesis, B5, colon, B8, close parenthesis, hit enter. So comparing the 4 units, we have 102 as the highest number. Drag it. Now moving on, we will now be getting the sum per rows, which is the first week results for different months. Here we will be starting at the F5 cell. So we type in equals, here it will change since it's by row. So here still is the B5 is still the same, but it will the second one we will use the E5 cell. Then close parenthesis, hit enter. Here it will add the different months for the first week. We will include the other weeks, so we just drag it down. For the average, still the same. Type in average parenthesis B5 colon then E5 close parenthesis, hit enter. It will add the 4 months, and then it will divide it into 4 equal units. So in this case it's 88.75. For the greater than average, we will use the formula for if. So if, then open parenthesis, we will use the F5 cell, which is the total or the sum. So F5 is greater than the average, which is the G5. And then close parenthesis. No. Sorry. So we will use the comma, double hyphen, true, double hyphen, comma, false. Oh no. We forgot the double hyphen. Double hyphen, then false, double hyphen, then close parenthesis. Then we hit enter. It says true. Since the total, which is 355 bookings, is much more greater than 88.75 or just 88 bookings, we will include the other weeks. For the minimum, it's just the same process as what we did for the columns. We just changed the content for the positioning or the what cells we are gonna include. So in this case it's B5 and E5. Hit enter. 78. Oh no, 75, since here the lowest is 75 of the first week of the 4th month. Then we will include the other weeks. For the max, B5 colon E5 close parenthesis, hit enter. 98, we drag it down, and there. So that's all for my presentation. Hope this explains a lot for the formula or how to solve the sum, average, the if, the min, and the max for the results of the bookings. Thank you and have a great day.